Have you noticed anything unusual over the last few years? It's something we've touched on in a few of our videos, and it's been causing problems for Wall Street and arbitrageurs in general. And in January, it could be in line for an abrupt change when everyone's favorite apprentice re-enters the White House. Yes, we're talking about the Federal Trade Commission, the body tasked with protecting consumers and ensuring fair competition, and their increasingly belligerent approach to corporate mergers and takeovers. During the course of the last few years, they've taken an increasingly hostile stance to corporate mergers and acquisitions, which has resulted in a number of deals failing to complete. In fact, for the period ending 2023, the Federal Trade Commission said it brought 24 enforcement actions, while the Justice Department's Antitrust Division brought 26, the highest number of challenges since the antitrust rules were introduced in 1976. The most serious of these reviews become lawsuits, where the FTC can sue to block a merger. And there were 6 of these over the 12-month period, compared to an average of just 3 per year over the last 20 years. We can see on the screen that the government has successfully blocked 3 mergers worth a combined $67 billion over the last couple of years. Additionally, due to their intervention, an additional 4 blockbuster deals, worth a combined $25 billion, have also failed to complete. And another 5 deals, with a combined value of almost $65 billion, currently face intense scrutiny. That's a cumulative $157 billion worth of transactions that have failed to close due to government intervention. This belligerence toward mergers and acquisitions has not only hurt arbitrageurs, but has also cost Wall Street bankers and lawyers millions in lost fees. However, with Trump's inauguration in January, it is likely that there will be an abrupt change in the policy of the FTC, and a more business-friendly environment may allow some of these deals to progress, in addition to other deals which have not yet been announced. There were 3,152 proposed mergers reported to the government in 2022, the second highest number since 1976, and more than double the average filings in the previous decade. Nearly a fifth of those transactions were valued at more than $1 billion. With a more business-friendly White House, that number could soar even higher, resulting in a bumper payday for Wall Street, investors, and arbitrageurs. And that's before we even start to talk about the crypto pump that could get into full swing in January. But that's for another video. Wall Street will need to await a formal announcement of any policy change in regards to business combinations, but the current frothy market suggests investors are confident of a business-friendly president and a continued upward march of securities valuations, mergers, and of the economy in general. What do you guys think? Did the previous administration go too far in restraining corporate mergers, or has big business become too big and grown to the point where consumers are no longer getting a competitive deal? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll keep you updated with new developments in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.